Are you tired of spending your best years in a home and community that doesn't match your vibrant lifestyle? Well, today we are exploring the sanctuary model at Webb at Rocking K, a home and a community designed to keep you active and enjoy life more than ever. Here at the sanctuary, there are 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. 1,716 square feet of comfortable living space, an inviting private front porch ideal for morning coffee, a grand entry foyer leading into a flexible den for hobbies or a home office, gourmet kitchen flowing into an open gathering room, and cafe area perfect for entertaining friends and family. This Webb community features a premier 55 and up active adult community. It's got state-of-the-art rec center with fitness facilities, aerobics studio, and resort-style swimming pool. Outdoor social spaces featuring fireplaces and comfortable seating. There's extensive walking and biking trails designed for exploration and relaxation. Nearby, you have the Saguaro National Park with breathtaking scenery, hiking, and wildlife viewing. Rincon Valley Farmers and Artisan Markets, which feature local produce, unique crafts, and live music. Nearby, there are golfing opportunities here at the Del Lago Club. Ready to make your next move? DM me right now, call or text at the number below, or simply click the link to schedule a direct call with me. I'm here to help you buy, sell, or relocate in Tucson, so let's make that happen. I hope you've enjoyed this tour today, and if you'd like to see more just like it, click that subscribe button, and I will definitely see you in the next one.